ababbi beekaza mazima ga Katonda nkuleetedde akatambi k'omubbi n'engeri gye yazze n'abbamu nga takimanyimu n'era kamera zimulaba. Omusajja alabikira ddala mbu wa buvunaanyizibwa, omusajja alabikira ddala mbu taata w'abaana ewaka, naye n'ajja n'ekintu ky'agenda okubba mazima ga Katonda nga si kye kiri awo mbu ayinza n'okifunamu ssente ez'amangu z'ayagala. Naye ng'omuntu abbye okufiiriza gwe gwabbyeko ekintu ekyo, amakulu mu kyo nga nekyabbye ayinza okubeera nga takirinaako mugaso. Kankutereka akatambi kano ak'omubbi okalabe okuva gye katandikira paka gye kaggweeredde osobole okulaba obukodyo obupya ate ababbi bwe balina. Naye nga sinabeera nga mbukuterako, kankusaba mbe subscribe nga nokozesa Mix Media tojja kubeera ng'omusinga updates naddala nga zino. Ngenda kukomawo ne mwana muwala Sasha ate osobole okulaba engeri abaana bambi gye bagezaako okubeera nga bapromotingamu olulimi lwabwe Oluganda ne culture yaabwe yawano mu ggwanga erya Uganda yeeyo mu mawanga gye bali mu kubeera nga bawangaalira. Ak'omubbi ke kano.
Naye bataata, why? Now look at that guy. He came very early in the morning at my workplace. Very early in the morning. It was even before 7. Yeah? The guy came in, asanga wakana kange kakawala. She's there putting on white and black. Nekamubuza, she is so disciplined. Kamya nekambuza kamaze omubuuza. The guy told her njagala kusanirira konviiri. So things are funny. Ne you see that guy last time kutuka yatuse yebuzabuza ali mukebera wana wali ngampa kubusanirizo nsanire konviiri. So this girl is also my daughter oyo wayero naye ngajja. She normally gives services to the male customers, to the male clients. Cutting nga bamuwa brush uyo guy asanirira nviiri. Guy combs his hair. Now look at him, he's combing his hair while putting on enkofiira ya postcode ajijje ku mutwe. Like seriously, yeah? Then amala bagamba, you know what? Njagala kasanirizo. The girl is still there. Actually, this girl in white ya dacha mkulongosa, she's dusting the stuff. Yom salon, she's dusting everything. So this girl najja amukoleko. So mwana we yakwa amugamba njagala kasanirizo. The girl looks for a comb, but yamugamba njagala kasaniriza kati he was so specific. Mwana akwata kasaniriza mwa because yabagambe anta a small comb because my hair is too short. Tetujja kola ki sijja sobola zisalira na kasanirizo kadene. The girl gives him a small comb. Nasanirira kaviiri, amalo sanirira kaviiri. Ngamugamba njagala akalala. We are saying atandise okusembera wali sterilizer wakati waliwo entebe, I mean between two ntebe kati wakati wentebe wabeerawo sterilizer naye ng'eri cool. People have been to saloons, so my how the saloons are organized. Munaye nga asembera okumpi ne sterilizer. The guy keeps on combing his hair. He wants the hair neat. Ngabagamba njagala basasula. The girls were like, tubireke, it's just combing hair, you just leave. Ngabagamba nedda ngenda pa kale, at least don't put the money to your boss's self. Naye kamba we mufuneyo kasoda buli omu mbungaba we 15 mumulabe we yabasimbye 5,000 a 5K notes. The fact that I don't leave money in the self, the girl went outside to get change. This is the opportunity that guy got. Oli ayera uyo mulaba atandise okusonsoka obukono mu sterilizer. Si bukono agakono atandise okusonsoka obukono mu sterilizer. The guy picks a machine uyo ali mu switching on. Atandise osala ekiro. Naye ababbi bwawe ddembe naye gusiraani gwe. Wallahi nkulabe ate oyita wa gundi. Ugo gupakinze machine yange gugenda nayo. Neguzako n'okukofiira gwago. Naye ababbi muswala. Like you're someone's father, at that age you're still stealing. Seriously. Osana kubeera pastor over Reverend. Gugo gufulumira nga gumukubira engalo galo, come back. Leka ngende wali ku Starbucks sinze leka netambulye sijja kumenya. Nga kugenda. Gugo nga gumujjako 15 nga kugenda. So olugwamaze ne ukomawo. He took his time. Ne ukomawo ne gumugamba. Ulakuba it took some time. Video kalala gumugamba don't worry obusanyirizo bwa kamuka kano katadde wana akalanka tadde wano. Imagine you're someone's father nga bakwata ngobye machine emitwalo obutwalo etagula bukadde. Seriously? Fathers, you are shaming us. Oli tata wa muntu, you have a child. Imagine your child seeing this.
nga tuvuddeyo nzize wano ku SMX Media nga nkuzannyira obutambi bungi nnyo naddala obw'abaana abawangaalira mu nsi z'abazungu eyo mu nsi ezitali Uganda engeri gye bagezaako bambi okustruglinga okubeera nga bayagala culture yaabwe nga bagezaako okubeera nga bapromotinga culture yaabwe olulimi olwabwe olwawano mu ggwanga erya Uganda. Kankuteeko mwana muwala akatambi kayino kansanyusiza nnyo katambudde bantu bangi kyemmanyi mwakalabye ng'agezaako okubeera nga ba-explaining oba nga bayatula ssente za wano mu ggwanga erya Uganda ng'azoogera mu Luganda engeri how confusing it was. Ate oluvannyuma nkuteereko n'engeri gye baagezaako okubeera nga bakola ekisaakaate kya maama Nnaabagereka bayige engeri y'okukola ebintu ebisigadde ng'okuwaata n'ebisigadde byonna.
Okay, so y'all, I came back from Uganda with like 100,000 shillings. And today I'm going to be teaching my dad engeri webogera money in Uganda. Okay?
Sente.
Okay, so tutandika with this one. This is 20,000.
Yep.
Jiba mitwalo ebiri.
Yep.
Good. 10,000.
Yep.
Jiba mitwalo 10.
Mutwalo.
It's 10,000. Mitwalo 10. 10 ebera 10. So
mutwalo gumu.
He just don't, you don't even know what it is. So my sentences are you can like answer them you gone. This is 50,000. Jibera mitwale tano. Atano actually no. 50.
Jiba mitwale tano. Tujita da zike Uganda.
Zike.
Zike. Yeah.
Zike.
Because yeko zike.
Okay, then why are you calling it mitwale tano if it's like 50? Explain the logic.
Mitwalo etano.
How do you say 50 in Uganda then? In Luganda?
Atano.
50,000 atano. Mitwalo atano.
Mitwalo etano.
No, you guys, this is mitwalo atano, right? This is mitwalo atano. Now wait, did mitwalo atano. And this is mitwalo abiri. No, ebiri. No, ebiri. Then how do you say 2,000? Or do you get what?
Nkumi biri.
Ate 200.
200. Bibiri.
Ate shugi 20.
Abiri.
A ton, like
Then 500,000. Mitwalo atano.
that makes no sense.
Exactly. Ugandan money don't make sense. Tekola magezi. Tezikola magezi. Techikola magezi. Ugandan money mfu dala. Yeah, and that's it for today. Okay, so y'all, you know I'm in Uganda, and I'll be teaching my good sister here how to basala matoke. Okay, and this is what we're gonna start with. Actually, we already did like a few things. I already did a few things.
You
So-
did it?
I already did a few things, so I'm just gonna show her how to do it. But first things first, we need gloves. We need to wear gloves because titwaga la kubera with all that stuff on our hands.
Don't say we.
Okay, so we look here.
But for me, I don't wear.
You start gloves.
I just
See, that's
use
so
oil.
new. That's so new. Why do you need oil? Oh, you know not oil.
It's the right thing to do.
She's alimukona na oil.
Okay.
So we start from the cabina. She's saying we start from that. Oh, this is chitwe and this is cabina. She says we start from
No,
here.
this is the head, and this is the cabina.
We're still arguing about this. We're still arguing about the head and the cabina.
But you start from the head.
This is the head.
This is the head.
Okay, we're gonna start here. So look here. You have to go slowly. How did you say? Kalala?
Akarira komwana.
Yes, that thing.
Sasha, look the way you're peeling the banana. Sasha.
Do you see? Then you go a little bit slower because you have to get the green stuff off.
Sasha, nakugambe toke ku diaspora. This diaspora where we're living is very expensive. The Matoke is gold.
She said gold.
A toke ku diaspora, it's gold.
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 Okay, so guys, we both like two Matoke for now already. So we're gonna show you Anya Sinze. This is mine.
Sasha, turn it around. Look.
Look the way she's peeled it. Like,
This is mine. So if you put in water, this thing's gonna go off.
how?
This is what I've been telling her. She's not listening to me. I put in water sometimes.
So you have to peel this green thing off.
Give me a minute. Okay, so I removed the green thing.
Sasha talking in one corner. Look at the corners in your look at it. Sasha, it's good.
But this is perfect. My Ugandan husband will be proud of me. Ajabela proud. Am I right?
You're going to stay at home.
This is how much I did. Thanks to me.
Are you for real?
Thanks for joining. Bye bye.